Hey friends, it's Dan from All About Mini Bikes. Hope everybody's doing great on this Thursday. I know I am. And why? Well, because the weldments came in and all of them. We got the forks here, had the frame here, axle support, a little bit of holes built. But anyway, I'm going to talk about all that. I'm going to do a video here and I'll put it together tonight and I'll put it out there tomorrow on YouTube and hopefully on Facebook also. So stay tuned for this and I'll get it posted tomorrow, Friday, and I think you're going to like what you see. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.